A family is hoping to use its own tragedy to save others from a hidden danger. While on vacation, they lost their son to carbon monoxide poisoning in an incident similar to the one that killed the son of former New York Yankees player Brett Gardner at a hotel. Chris Van Cleve has the story.
For John Heathco and his girlfriend Abby, it was supposed to be a long weekend by the beach in Mexico. But within hours of getting to their hotel room, something was off.
They had a couple tacos and some guacamole by the pool. Went back to the room and started feeling awful.
They thought it was food poisoning, but Heathco's family says the couple's hotel room had filled with a silent killer, carbon monoxide. John's sister, Carrie.
After dinner, they went back to the room and never came back out of the room.
Their 2023 deaths made headlines. John's father, Chuck.
I had to go into the bedroom and let my wife know we lost our son. Tough one.
Now, the Heathco family is speaking out for the first time as they launch an effort to legally require hotels to have working carbon monoxide detectors in each room. Right now, only 14 states mandate it. John's mother, Jill.
Losing Johnny, I pray that no other family has to go through that loss, but we've got a tremendous hole in our heart.
In February, 3 Massachusetts women in their 20s died in their hotel room while on vacation in Belize. The cause? Carbon monoxide.
Something has to happen to help prevent this from another family suffering the loss we have with Johnny and Abby.
Do you worry you're going to see more of those headlines?
Yes.
Absolutely.
It's going to happen.
It's inevitable.
The Centers for Disease Control say carbon monoxide poisoning kills about 400 Americans a year. A CBS News data review of FEMA's National Fire Incident Reporting System found over the last 15 years, fire departments nationally responded to about 360 carbon monoxide incidents at hotels and motels annually.
You would think the large hotel chains would actually do this preventively. I mean, these are literally people's lives that are being impacted. People are dying.
Minnesota Congresswoman Angie Craig and Representative Mike Levin from California plan to introduce new legislation to require carbon monoxide detectors in hotels and other short-term rentals.
It's common sense, and it's something that I hope we can get passed and get signed into law and save lives.
For the Heathco family, a life saved means one less family living with their kind of heartbreak.
Smartest guy. I've ever known.
What do you miss most about your son?
His love and support. He was my best friend too.
What I think about a lot is I'm a father of an amazing man. And to this day, I still find myself wanting to be more like him.
The American Hotel and Lodging Association tells CBS News carbon monoxide incidents in hotel settings remain rare. It emphasizes the importance of proactive measures and encourages proper installation of carbon monoxide detectors in applicable areas and ongoing staff training. Lawmakers acknowledge this legislation comes with the cost of installing carbon monoxide detectors in each hotel room. We bought this portable one for less than $25, so that's also an option for you. As part of their effort, the Heathcos are launching a foundation in John's name to raise awareness about carbon monoxide poisoning. Chris Van Cleve, CBS News, New York.